Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my stir-fried chicken with broccoli. And here are the ingredients. Half pound of pre-cut chicken, 1 cup of broccoli, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. For seasoning, we would need sugar and oyster sauce. The first thing we need to do is cook our broccoli, or blanch it. Once the broccoli reaches this nice bright green color, we will move it and put it aside. Now let's stir fry our broccoli. In a heated pan, we will add in about 1 teaspoon of oil, which is vegetable oil, and half tablespoon of minced garlic. And then we will stir fry minced garlic until it becomes nice and golden brown. Once it's reached this nice and golden brown color, we will add in about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And now we could add in our blanched broccoli. And we will stir fry the broccoli and the oyster sauce until it becomes nicely coated. Once it's nicely coated, we will move it aside. Now let's cook our chicken. In a heated pan, we will add in about 1 tablespoon of oil, a half tablespoon of minced garlic, and then we will stir fry the minced garlic until it becomes nice and golden brown. Once it's reached its golden color, we will add in our chicken. Now we can stir fry the chicken until it becomes partially cooked. Once it's partially cooked, we could add in about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And now we can stir fry the chicken with the oyster sauce until it's nicely coated. And now we can add in about half tablespoon of sugar. And we will continue to stir fry the chicken with the sugar and oyster sauce. We will continue to stir fry the chicken until all the liquid evaporates and the chicken is fully cooked. Our chicken is fully cooked, guys. Now let's put it on top of our broccoli. Our stir-fried chicken with broccoli is done, guys. Now let's garnish it with some green onions. I like to eat this over a bowl of steamed rice or some cooked ramen. And it's also good for potluck. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.